Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some abstract press-on nails using Après natural square long nails, and there's a little sneak peek of how they turn out. I'm obsessed with these, just have to say that. So I already pre-buffed my nails, sized them out obviously, and pre-buffed, and I'm just attaching them to my nail stands. I did already shape up the free edge very sharp and very square as well. These are really nice with their shape, so you don't really have to do much at all. And I've been wanting to try these as press-ons, so I'm super excited when I get to wear these. But these peach nails, they are stuck on so good. I'm telling you, the Cala nail glue, it's everything. So sneak peek, look how cute and extra these are. I don't know what I'm going to title this video, but there's ballet core mixed in, abstract, it's just like junk nails, it's everything. So I'm taking this pink from my ROSALIND 100 piece gel kit. It's so pretty. When you use one coat, it's beautiful jelly, but I wanted it a tiny bit more opaque, so I do 2 coats. And I love this color so much. It's like the perfect pink in my opinion. So I decided to speed up this clip of me painting the base color just because we all know how to paint nails, and I didn't want you sitting here forever getting bored and clicking off. I hope that you stay till the end to see the full final result, because these nails are stunning. I am so obsessed, so excited to wear these when they're all done. I'm going to attempt to take a break from press-ons pretty soon. I know I've uploaded like quite a few press-on videos, and I'm running out of room of places to put them. Right now I have them set up near my nail graveyard. If you watch my shorts, you know all about my nail graveyard, but I'm running out of room, and like I said, these nails are on so strong that I have a feeling I'm going to be able to wear them for a really long time, these peach nails. So here's what 2 coats look like. What a beautiful bubblegum pink, like I can't even take it. So I'm now taking my Saviland black paint pot and this 9mm liner brush. You can get both of these things on Amazon, and I'm also using the black from that ROSALIND kit as well. So here's the brush close up, so you can see like the thickness of a 9mm and what I'm working with. So I do a French tip on 2 nails, the thumb and the pinky. So I'm going to grab the pinky and start with that, and I'm going to create my little smile line and then fill it in. I think I'm getting a little bit better with my line work. I still definitely need practice. It seems like whenever I start filming a video, I usually film in the morning, and I've just drank so much coffee, so my hands can tend to be a little bit more shaky, which is super annoying, but you know, it still comes out really cute, and I love how the black French tip looks with this pink. It's literally everything. Like, how many times am I gonna say that? I hope that you guys like these as much as I do. These were so much fun to make. Like, I kind of just made them on a whim. I didn't really have like a plan, but sometimes you get the best sets that way, and I just went totally all out with the charms. I moved those out of frame because sometimes my camera like has trouble deciding on what to focus on, which is super annoying. So I'm gonna take this black from the ROSALIND kit, and I'm just gonna fill in the rest of the French tip, because I didn't want to be here forever using that tiny liner brush to fill that in when I can just do this. And I really like this black. I used it in one of my last press-on tutorials. It's just, it's so opaque and it's so thin, and it's absolutely amazing. And the paint pot is really good too. No problems carrying. So those Saviland paint pots, gel pots, I don't know, whatever they're called, they're really good. And I'm curing each nail when I do black for the 99-second setting on my lamp, because I don't want any wrinkling or any annoying stuff like that. So moving on to the next nail, I am going to do the thumb to get the French tips out of the way. And I'm just going to do the same exact thing, just eyeballing my smile line. And you know, it's kind of easy when you're doing it with press-ons, because These are semi-jelly, the pink. The pink is semi-jelly. Wow, I can't talk. So you can kind of see the putty underneath, and it gives me an idea of how to make the smile line equal. So that was a nice little surprise there. And then I'm just touching up anything that I think needs touching up, and I'm going to fill it in again with the ROSALIND black gel. Look at how opaque that black is. Oh my god, I want this in a giant bottle. Have you guys used ROSALIND before? If you have, let me know down below your experiences with it and if you think that they are as good as I do, because I am most pleasantly surprised with the couple of gels that I've used so far by them. Like, so good. And I love that it's thin like that, because black is annoying sometimes when curing, but perfect. Oh my god, guys, we are so close to 800 subscribers. I'm so excited to reach 8. Like, I can't even believe it. Thank you guys so much. I'm really super excited to reach my goal of 1K, which I hope comes soon, but you know, it is what it is. Sometimes it seems like subscribers come in ebbs and flows. Like, sometimes I'll get so many, and then sometimes it just slows down. But yes, I can't wait to reach 1K. So if you guys would give this video a like, comment down below, possibly even share the video, I would really appreciate you so much. I just want my content to reach more people, and I want to share my love of nails with everyone because it is my obsession. So we are working on the abstract nail now, and I'm just kind of freestyling with no rhyme or reason until I'm happy, thickening up the lines until I'm happy. And I'm not flash curing because I don't want to mess around flash curing a black, so I just fully cure it when I'm completely done. Again, for 99 seconds in my big nail lamp. And my nail lamp is awesome. I'll link it down below. It is a 130 watt lamp. It's really pretty. It's pink. It just works so good. I love it so much. And it wasn't very expensive at all. It's from Amazon. If you need a new nail lamp, definitely recommend. So I just sped this up a little bit. It's super simple. If you're going to try and recreate these, like, just do to your heart's desire. Like, they don't need to be perfect. I'm literally going to cover, like, the whole nail with charms. So, but, yeah, I'm just making some lines, thickening them up, and curing, and then I'm going to move on to the next nail, which I believe is the ballet core style nail, which, oh my god, it turns out so cute once I add the charms. I can't wait to show you that nail. Are you guys sick of press-ons yet, or are you living for them? I'm a little bit of both. I can't wait to do a Gel X set in the very near future. I don't know, press-ons last so well for me. It's like actually amazing because I put a rubber base coat underneath, and guys, with that Cala nail glue, they don't go anywhere at all. So I'm just making the X's for the little crisscross tie design for the ballet core nail. So it's supposed to look like, I don't know, ballet slipper or like a corset. Really cute. I love this style. I definitely want to do more with this. I've done one before in the past. It was like a Micromi ballet corset, but I like these a lot more, I think. So just speeding this up because it's really easy, but I do go over it quite a few times to get it to the thickness that I like. So I didn't want to make you sit here for literally ever. It's just 2 X's. I'm trying to make them as even as possible, and if you mess up, you can always clean up with alcohol on a little brush. And it's super easy to just fix it up as long as you don't flash cure. So yeah, keep that in mind. And just finishing up this, and then I'm going to cure it and we move on to the next nail. I'm so excited. I can't take these nails. I literally can't. And here's what that first abstract one looks like, all cured up, and we're going to do the pointer finger, and then we can move on to the charms, my favorite part. This nail is again another abstract one, so I'm just gonna like freestyle some little lines and I'm gonna speed this up. I'm trying to make it similar to the hand that I already have done on my little nail plate, but it doesn't have to be exact at all, and it's not. I like to kind of go off a little bit and just make certain little tweaks to make certain nails just ever so slightly different, and you know, it takes the pressure off of having to make it absolutely perfect and symmetrical, which is annoying because I get very impatient when I'm sitting for a long time doing nails. You know, I'm sure you're the same way. So here they are, all cured up, looking super cute. I'm pretty proud of those French tip ones. Like, I think I did a pretty good job. So here's a quick look at the charms. Some butterflies, a bear. I'm going to use some of these little caviar balls, the biggest ones in here. They're from Temu. All my charms are from Temu and Shein. And also some of these flat back, just silver circles. And I'm using this rhinestone glue, which is a dupe for Macarts. It's just like pretty much the exact same thing. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get going on this. I'm gonna start with the pinky, and I'm following the same steps that I did for the hand that I already have done. But I'm just gonna do it again and try my best to make it super symmetrical while slightly tweaking just like a couple of things, you know. These hearts and the bows came in like, you know, they have those mixed bags on Temu and Shein. It's like you pick a color, and I picked like the black one. And I like those a lot. You get a lot of really, really cute charms in those little mixed pack things. Like it'll be like pink, yellow, black, and you just get a good array. I don't know, I just like it. And in the center, I am putting one of those flat back silver studs. I don't know. I like these a lot. I could literally use those in like every single set. I just think they are effortless and they always look good. And I'm going to put another on the tip. And I cure all of these nails at a time separately for 60 seconds because I don't want to wait in between. And I don't want my charms to move around. So yeah, 60 seconds and you're good to go. And then you can top coat. So cute. I love it. Now we're going to do this abstract nail right here. I'm just going to put a nice blob of my rhinestone glue. This stuff is so good. Like I have one in the the jar, but I never use that. I'm going to be putting a sparkly snake on this one and some little silver flat backs. And I think a butterfly too. Of course I put this upside down. How stupid. That annoyed me so very bad, but it's okay. I wish I had more of these glitter snakes. These were the only two I had. I have like silver and gold ones, but I don't know. Something about this one's really cute. I'm gonna have to search and see if they have these sold like separately because I like them a lot. And I was thinking I definitely want to try doing some marbling very, very soon, because that's something I honestly haven't really done before. Excuse me. And it looks really, really pretty, and I just want to try it. And I do want to try the puffy nail trend at some time. So that's what that one's looking like. I want to add another little silver ball, and then I can cure and we can move on. And a little update on my natural nails. They're doing much, much better. Just my one pinky is still kind of being a little bitch. So I'm just keeping them short. I do want to grow them a little bit, not like super long or anything, but I had some lifting on quite a few of my fingers, and I was cutting them super short for quite a while, and they finally all fixed up, minus this one pinky that's still giving me just a little issue. So I'm hoping I can kind of just finish that off and get that better very soon. Hence also why I was making so many press-ons. I don't know, I just thought it was better than constantly doing Gel X. Yeah, so I'm gonna start adding these caviar beads. I'm gonna put 3 on the edges and 2 on the inner crisscross, and I'm going to cure and move on. I absolutely love how this nail turned out. I was gonna leave the bow matte, but I end up top coating it because I just love everything glossy. I can't help myself. And I've been loving these caviar beads. Let me know down below if you use them in your sets. Just a little tip if you're having trouble picking them up. It's always easier to have a little bit of gel on your tool, because then they just pick up effortlessly and you don't have to deal with any of that annoying dropping. It's just so much easier. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, love it. So doing the other abstract nail, I'm going to use a really, really cute Bear Charm. It's blue tone, but it's like iridescent. I just love it so much. This was in that same black mix that I got the hearts from. I just think he's so cute and went perfectly with this set. And I also add a butterfly and some silver flatbacks to this one as well.